So now to start, you can choose if you want practice exams, flashcards, ganyan. So yan, maka-choose kayo dito or kung gusto niyo ng quiz cards or dito sa coaching videos. Ito yung coaching videos. Okay, so see, lahat ng kailangan ninyo ay andito na sa One Nurse app. May video, may flashcards, may practice exam, quiz cards, meron pa. Okay, first let us start with the practice exams. Yan. So exam preparation. Yan. So, andito yun makikita. Yan. So, you can choose if exam preparation, ganyan. So, dito sa dashboard nyo is, this will allow you to see your progress. Ganyan. Yan, dito. So, progress, makikita din niyo kung ano yung strongest and weakest subject based on your performance. Okay, kung strongest, like for example, this one, I tried some of the subjects. So, strongest ako sa Palmer. But, weakest ko is ang community health nursing. And then, ang average ko naman is yung exam mode. So, yan, makikita mo. And then, your accomplishments. So, you will know that you are not always motivated to do in your review. Kaya, naglagay kami ng mga challenges. So, meron tayong mga challenges dito. So that magiging motivated kayo. Okay? Dito yung sa accomplishments. Okay, yan. May mga challenges din tayo. And then, of course, you can share your link ha, para for the referral code. So, mabibigay nyo yung link niyan. So, i-click mo lang yung copy and then share to your nursing students na mga friends ninyo or mga relatives ninyo. Ganyan. Yan, ito yung mga list of accomplishments. So, yan, in progress, ganyan. Night owl, ganyan. Okay, meron tayo dyan. So, of course, hindi lang yan. Meron tayong countdown. Ano ba? Parang saan to? Para hindi tayo papetiks-petiks. So, we have put the countdown para naman maganahan kayo to do your review. Meron din motivational quotes para naman ma-motivate din kayo every time you open your One Nurse app. So, if you can dream it, you can do it. And that is right. Kung dream mo talaga, makukuha mo talaga yan. Or gagawin mo dapat. Dapat gagawin. So, yan. So, now, let's try. Hold on. So, yan. Dito sa exam prep, makikita mo itong mga 6 nursing concepts. So, meron tayong 6 nursing concepts na matatry mo. So, first is we'll have fundamentals of nursing, maternal nursing, mental health nursing, surgical nursing, community health nursing, and Palmer. Yan. So, you can try that one. And then, let's try. Wait lang. Okay, let's try learning. Okay, yan. So, you can try what kind of, or your review type, yan, try nyo yung board exam. So, let's try this concept na nursing concepts, ganyan. Let's choose fundamental of nursing. Yan. So, you can choose also for the practice mode, kung how many items, and then start. So, ganyan. So, we have also a timer para naman ganyan. So, okay, yan. So, one good thing about One Nurse is we have a detailed rationalization each questions. Okay? Nandito yung explanation, bakit siya mali, and ano yung tamang sagot. Yan. Okay? So, try and try lang.